Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Sports Bike Shop's review of the Knox Tour armoured shirt. The Tour is the latest in a line of utility shirts from Knox that stretches back to 2020's Urbane Pro Utility. This is one of several shirts in Knox's range, and this is the one that has plenty of pockets, which continues the theme from that original utility shirt. The idea is that it's highly ventilated and can be worn on its own in good weather or with layers over the top when the weather is less good. Knox have a range of their own overlayers that are designed to work with their armoured shirts, or you can add your own choice of layers. The outer for this Tour is made from a combination of mesh fabric and stretchy high tenacity nylon. The mesh runs down the front of the body, inside the upper and lower sleeves, and it's also on the bulk of the back. The stretchy material then makes up the rest of the shirt. There's a large amount of the mesh, which is quite open, and it does allow plenty of airflow. I wore this jacket on a couple of hot days. It was just under 30 degrees and it gave me a good level of cooling airflow. There's a large amount of the surface area that does allow air through, and it works well for me in those temperatures. It's the 4 cargo style pockets on the front that really set the Tour apart from Knox's other armoured shirts. And the upper left of those pockets has an extra stash pocket within it and a cloth attached in there that you can unhook and use to clean your visor. The 2 lower pockets then have zipped pockets over the front of the pockets. The final exterior pocket is on the lower back, and I can reach into that pocket without taking the shirt off. The shirt then fastens with the zip up the front, and the collar is dead simple, no extra fasteners at the top. The zip puller just sits in a small retainer at the top of its run to stop that flapping around. Personally, I prefer lower collars on riding jackets, especially in summer, and this one works well for me. The cuffs fasten with Knox's strap-type retainers, where you can choose from 3 rivets that give different levels of tightness. These work best for me with gloves over the top, as it holds this strap in place and stops the fabric working its way out from underneath the strap. On the inside are 4 more pockets, including a dinker that's marked as being ideal for earplugs, and here's where we'll also reach the armour, which you'll find at the shoulders, the elbows and the back. It's Knox's soft and flexible microlock armour, which meets the higher level 2 in the CE impact protection standard. It's type B armour, so it covers more of the body than a regular type A protector. A Velcro panel inside the main zip holds a Knox chest protector insert, which is an optional extra that costs $39.99 as we record this. Overall, the Tour has a CE rating of AA, which is the middle of the 3 levels available. So that means this looks after all of the protection aspects, and you can then use the outer layers to keep you warm and dry when you need them to. The most obvious choice of Knox shell to team up with this one is the Tour waterproof shell. That's a lightweight waterproof pullover shell with a drawstring around the neck. It's available separately for $129.99. But if you know you're going to want that, then it's more sensible to go for the Tour Duo, which bundles the shirt and the waterproof together. That Duo costs £70 more than the shirt alone, so it's £60 cheaper than buying the 2 separately. Okay, before we get into sizing, there's Knox's method of connecting the shirt to jeans to show you. This is where Knox's security loops go to work, stopping the shirt from riding up. If you feed your belt through the loops on your jeans and the loops in the jacket, then that keeps the 2 linked together. It is a bit fiddly, and you need to remove the belt completely if you want to take your jacket off, but it is a very effective way of keeping jacket and trousers connected. Right, let's look at sizing. The Tour is available in sizes ranging from small to 5XL, and Knox's chart shows that covering a range from 35 inches up to 54 inches at the chest. I wore a size small, and I've got a 40-inch chest, so I'd say sizing is generous, at least in the smaller sizes. It is a close fit for me around the body, but it's meant to be, and the stretch material does keep it comfortable. The fit around the arms is a little looser than it could be on my Twiglet arms, but it's a lot closer than a regular bike jacket, and it does keep the armour quite close. On some Knox shirts, I can't get the right fit in both the body and the arms, but with this one, I am happy with the fit. The figures on our customer returns actually suggest the sizing is pretty intuitive as well. Just over 96% of people who've bought one of these from us have kept the first size they ordered, and the few that swapped are divided equally between needing a size bigger and a size smaller, which suggests there's no obvious issue in either direction on sizing. There's a women's version of the Tour, which comes in sizes 8 up to 20, and where us men get a choice of 3 colours, we get this sage green, we get a light grey and an all black. Women only get the light grey option. The price for both men's and women's versions as we record this is $329.99 for the shirt on its own. And as I said earlier, the Tour waterproof shell, if you want that, is $129.99 on its own. So like I said, it's better to go for the Tour Duo, which gives you both combined for $399.99. Okay, let's sum this up. I've enjoyed my time wearing the Knox Tour armoured shirt. It's comfortable, very flexible, it gives a good amount of airflow, and it has plenty of storage with those pockets on the front. There are a couple of bits of feedback. I think a subtle change at the cuff would make this rivet fastener work a little bit better. And also I think the location of the internal pockets can make them awkward to use. But with this shirt, the external pockets, I mean, I don't really need the internal ones anyway. But overall, I can see why 16 out of 17 customer reviewers have given their tour a 5-star rating. Knox have pioneered a whole new approach to motorcycle clothing with their armoured shirts like this, and for me, they deserve all the success they get. The ability to start with a summer-friendly layer like this one and add anything extra you need for different weather conditions is a very flexible way to kit yourself out for riding. I hope that tells you everything you wanted to know about the Knox Tour armoured shirt, but if there is anything you'd like to ask or to add, then please pop a comment below. Thanks for watching.